guys, I'm gonna call this Casual Friday here at stampinwithcharlene.com. I hope you guys are surviving in quarantine or staying safe if you're going out there and working on the front lines. I just want to show you some of the things that I've been working on. I decided that I am just going to delve in. I've been in my craft room for maybe a day and a half now, just going through a lot of retired designer series paper that I've had, a lot of retired ribbon, a lot of the 6x6 pieces of designer series paper that I got during Celebration. If you took advantage of that, you got the sample pack of 6x6 of all the designer series paper that is available in the mini catalog, which you can still order from until June, I think it's June 1st or 2nd. You can still order from the mini catalog. So I'm gonna show you all the samples of the cards that I made. And what I decided to do was use a lot of, this is why I rarely make videos. This is my baby Willow making an appearance. And he's probably gonna knock down my background, and hey, that's how it's gonna go. Hey baby, give mommy kisses. Let's please hope he doesn't knock down the background. Okay, so let's start with the Tropical Designer Series paper, which is retiring, and it's on page 39 of the mini catalog. And I'm going to show you two samples that I made with that paper. Now, I used the mini Thinlit dies, which are retired. However, I did make a template for you, and it's available on my Template Tuesday newsletter. So if you would like to receive the template to be able to make this pocket card, send me an email at charlene@stampinwithcharlene.com, or you can sign up for my Template Tuesday newsletter, and then I'll see that you just signed up and I will forward you the link to that. But this is the Tropical Oasis Designer Series paper. And I just, you make the little insert. The insert size is 3.5 by 5. And that fits perfectly inside of this. And then on all of the cards, you're gonna see that I made a belly band. And this is just a way to add just a little pop to it. And then I also had a ton of these colored doilies left over. They were on the clearance rack for a long time. I'm not sure if they're still on there or not, but I had so many of them and I just wanted to clear out my stuff. I think this is a time where we're all reassessing our lives, cleaning out our closets, and I just thought, you know what, there's a new catalog coming out in just a few weeks. I want to get lots of new fun stuff, so I'm just going to clear out the old. It might be orderable, it might not be orderable, but you can always take one of our pearlized doilies, which is also retiring, turn it over, use your sponge and ink it up any color you would like. But there's that one from Tropical Oasis, DSP, and then here's the other one. And I always get a lot of requests to make masculine birthday cards, and even though this has the doily on it, I think it's still pretty masculine. And then I made this thank you. So every card I'm going to show you, you're going to notice, is the same exact design. It's just different paper, different ribbon, and different colors, and a different sentiment. I also went through and used a lot of stamps from paper pumpkin kits. I feel like we get our paper pumpkin kit and we use the stamp set, we make the kit, and then we store the stamp set away and we never use it again. So I took out all of my old paper pumpkin stamp sets and I used them on these cards. This is the Best Dressed Designer Series paper. This is let me find it in the catalog. I'm really bad with names and I want to make sure I tell you the right name for it, but I think it's from the Best Dressed suite, and I do think it is called, yes, this is the Best Dressed Designer Series paper. This is the floral side. So this paper came with all the makeup designs on one side and then the floral designs on the other side. So, I went through, used the stamp sets from the paper pumpkin kit. I rarely have get well cards, rarely have sympathy cards. So I just went through and made a bunch of things that would cover all different kinds of occasions. I love this. I think it's, it will really cheer up people. This is, if they were sick, this is the Grapefruit Grove cardstock, which is an in color that is retiring. So grab onto that if you can, quickly. And this is also paper from that same Best Dressed Designer Series paper. 6x6 paper is the perfect size for the mini treat bag thinlits if you still have it. And if not, you can use the template. You'll need 2 pieces of it. One 6x6 makes a large part of the card, and then you'll need a 3x6 to make the other part of it. It's like a 2-piece pocket card that you put together. So just because I love the colors on that. What else came from that paper? This is a similar pattern from the same pack, and this is from the bird. I am so bad with names, so let's just cut to the chase. It's that really cute set that's in the annual catalog that has all the birds sitting on the twine and then a couple of separate birds, and it has these really cute sayings. So it's the bird set that's in the catalog that I used on this card. I'm so bad with names. Okay, so moving on. Oh, and then I made, with the same paper, a sympathy card. Unfortunately, I've had to use way too many of these lately. Let me make sure I got all of those from that paper. Okay, now moving on to, hold on. Well, let's just, it's gonna take too much time if I look for the names of all the paper, but look at this, how beautiful that is. I love the color combinations. This is Blackberry Bliss, Blackberry Bliss and Flirty Flamingo. Look at how gorgeous that is. It just pops. Love that. Love drama, love things that pop. Oh, back to the Best Dressed. How fun is this? I used my Brother Scan and Cut die cut machine, which you can see, I linked it on my blog, and I cut out, I've talked about this before in another video, I cut out all the little perfume bottles and stuck that on there. I think this is so cute. Hello Fabulous. So I made that one, a bunch of those, and then just with the lipstick side of the paper, Be As Bold As Your Lipstick. Lovely lipstick color, but look how good it looks with the gray cardstock, and then I used the blender, the Stampin' blends to color in the lipsticks. So I love the contrast of the gray and the lovely lipstick. Okay, then there's this one, which is just so beautiful. Good luck. This is perfect for people now who are unfortunately searching for new jobs, or people, kids who have graduated, you know, and they're out there trying to find a job, or starting their new life. Another great pop. I love drama. I love to dress dramatically, you know, with colors, and I think I also bring that into all the cards that I make. So this is Bermuda Bay. Oh gosh. Can you tell I've been doing this for 18 years? It's not the color, it's the result, right? And also Grapefruit Grove. So I wanted to use up the retiring in colors. Okay, so this is here's a fun happy birthday, and this is a stamp set from an old paper pumpkin kit, but this paper is currently available in the mini catalog. Cute balloons, and I used Calypso Coral with this one. Then I made some masculine cards with the, okay, by now you know, I don't know what the name of it is, but it's the men's paper. Okay, here it is. On page 47, the Country Club Designer Series paper, which is also retiring, so grab it while you can. I just made simple birthday cards. This is the Blueberry Bushel that's retiring. I just wanted to use it up. It's just really simple, just the pocket card with the belly band and happy birthday. And then here's another one where I used the golf tees and the golf balls for the golf enthusiast. Happy birthday. They're so fun. Now I really went into the archives on this one and got the, I tried to remember what this paper is called, but it's from like 3 years ago. The Up, Up and Away suite with the balloon, the hot air balloon, and I used our current balloon punch and made the balloon and then used stamps from a paper pumpkin kit. This ribbon is really old. I had a bunch of this left. It's the mint macaron with the black together. So I made a bunch of these, just happy birthday, simple. I added some little silver gems on there. Now, this is my favorite. Okay, this is from that, this is the designer series paper from that same set, Up, Up and Away, or, oh, I don't know. But this is the Make a Splash Hostess set, which is available for, if you make a purchase of $150 or more, you can order this. This is available for $10 as a hostess gift. How adorable is that fish? Isn't it so cute? Now I made a bunch of these because I had a bunch of this paper left, which looks like waves, right? Get it? Like it looks like it's in water. I used my brother's Scan and Cut to cut out the fishbowl, so you'll see that it's perfectly cut. And I also used the brother's Scan and Cut to cut the fish out. Mother's Day is coming up. Why don't you order yourself a brother's Scan and Cut? I'll link it here. It's also linked on my blog, but I mean, I cut these out perfectly. I cut out 12 of them, I think, in just a couple of minutes. And then just used a bunch of the colors on there to make that pop. So while you are waiting for new things to arrive in the new catalog, use up what you have to make room for all the new stuff, because I've seen the catalog. I've also pre-ordered some things, which as a demonstrator, I was allowed to pre-order. And I know that I want room for new. So go through, make up a bunch of stuff using what you already have. If you want to get your hands on that Make a Splash stamp set, place an order of $150. So you'll qualify as a hostess and you can order it for $10. So have fun making cards. If you have any questions, contact me. I can mail you a catalog. I'll put you on my list. You can shop anytime 24/7 at charlenestamps.stampinup.net. I know it's a lot to remember, but if you just go to my regular blog, stampinwithcharlene.com, all the information is on there. Have a great Friday. Have fun making things. Use up all your stuff because you're going to want to make room for all the new stuff.